watch daily videos and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hi guys, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome back to GRE King. And today we are also going to discuss some new words, and I hope you guys are enjoying these video series, and if you are enjoying, do like and comment on this video below and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications every time a new video is out. So let's move ahead and see what are the new words for the day today. Alright, so today we are going to discuss two words which are the first word is egoist and the second word is egotist. Okay, so by egoist I mean EGOIST and egotist is EGOTIST. So these are the two new words that we are going to learn today. People are often confused between the meanings of both the words. So I'm going to give you a one word answer for each of these words, and that you would never ever get confused or forget. So now egoist is a person who is a very selfish person, and egotist is a person who is a self-centered person. Okay, so that's the difference. So egoist is selfish and egotist, there are more letters to the word, it's a longer word, so it's self-centered, whereas egoist is selfish. So that's how you will not forget these words. Now let's discuss both of these words in detail. Now egoist is a person who is going to be very selfish, never thinking about others, always whatever deed or whatever task he's doing is always concerned about himself, what's in it for him, what's the benefit, and not about never ever about others, how is it going to help others, or it might be worse for somebody else. So he's not going to think about all of those things. He's a very selfish person, just concerned about himself, what's the benefit that he is going to achieve. So that is a person who is called as an egoist person. Okay, EGOIST. Now let's look at some synonyms and antonyms of the word egoist. Alright, so the synonym of the word egoist is going to be egomaniac or egocentric. Okay, so the ego, ego means I, so it's always there around him, what's in it for me. So egomaniac and egocentric are the two synonyms of the word or the words which you can use interchangeably for the word egoist. Now coming back to the antonyms of the word egoist, the antonyms of the word egoist are going to be selflessness. You are not, you are the other video, if you guys have seen altruism and philanthropy. So altruism could be defined as an antonym or could be used in place of an antonym of being a egoist. Okay, so that is how you use the word, like the person who is not at all selfish, selfless is a person is the antonym of the word egoist. Now moving ahead with the word egotist, let's check out the synonyms and antonyms of the word egotist. Alright, so the synonyms of the word egotist are self-importance, always I, me, myself, people who use these words regularly, it's all about themselves, and these words personal pronouns like I, me, myself, it's always about them. So in the talks also you will always think oh okay, so I have this big house and I bought a new car and I have this new thing and I gained this. So you hear all of these I, me, myself thing. So that's a person who is an egotist. Okay, so you can say that exaggerated sense of self-importance. So that's a person who is an egotist. So some of the synonyms would be self-importance, self-glory, vanity, and so this is, or self-centered, it's meaning also. So these are the synonyms of the words. Coming back to the antonyms of the word egotist, so it's going to be you are very modest, very humble. So that kind of a person is an opposite of a person who is an egotist. Okay, so being very humble, being very modest and having that humility is the opposite of a person who is an egotist. Okay, so just to summarize the difference between egoist and egotist, egoist, there are smaller letters, less letters. So egoist is selfish and egotist is self-centered. Self-centered means I, me, myself, and egoist, selfish, means he's not going to be concerned about others, what is in it for me. Okay, so that was all from today's lectures. I hope you have learned these new words and some of the other synonyms or interchangeable words also. Again, task for today is you have to use egotist and egoist in a sentence. I want 2 sentences and I want all of you guys to comment below and use these words in a sentence. And if you use them and if you are daily doing it, then you are definitely building your vocabulary. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, keep learning, keep studying, and do click the bell icon. Bye bye.